Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to import and animate any 3D model for foliage or trees. First thing first, let's make a new project, then import a 3D model. In this case I'm using 3ds Max and Unreal Engine Unreal Datasmith plugin. We will enable the plugin first and then import the model inside our project. As you can see right now, we have a problem with the material. Let's fix the material. Let's check our material, open it. Right now we have a missing diffuse. We are going to open the maps folder and choose any one you want. You can choose all of them. I will just choose this for this tutorial just to show you how we are going to use it. Drag and drop, open the material and put this inside the diffuse. And Unreal Engine and 3ds Max doesn't work the same for foliage. 3ds Max use opacity and we use opacity mask, so you have to change from opacity to opacity mask, then change this to mask and two-sided, and make two-sided foliage to make the subsurface color. Copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and make multiply, then make constant, I meant constant vector 3, and connect them together, make it parameter, then connect them together to subsurface color and make this white. Apply. Now you can see we have fixed the material and we have very nice color and subsurface color. We can add a few tricks by downloading any material from Megascan and taking the albedo control from it. Just go down and select the material and select this material function and go up there and just copy it, Ctrl C, and go over here to the main material and Ctrl V. Drag this diffuse in this position, then drag this to the base color, apply. Now you can control your material as you control the Megascan assets, surface, albedo tint, and albedo controls. Right now we are changing the color, but it's only on one material. We need to apply this on all the trees material. Let's choose any color we want just for a test. And let's go for the subsurface color. Here we can control the color of subsurface color. As you can see, it's very nice. It's not perfect, but it's very nice. You can always tweak to the better. Trees animation. This is the first method. We are going to download Megascan asset as a 3D plants, and we are going inside its material, and we are going to take the function of world position offset, copy it inside our material, then Ctrl V, place this in the world position offset, delete this and copy your diffuse and put it in alpha. That's all you need. And now go to the leaf material, enable wind. You can control the noise. As you can see, very simple wind animation. We can add this to the branches too, to have like a synchronization between the leaves and the branches. It doesn't always work, sometimes not. It depends on the 3D model you have. We're going to make the same thing we did before. Okay, just need the texture of the diffuse map, and let's enable it. Let's get a post process volume and unbound exposure just to see better, because I don't want any exposure up or exposure down. Now, yes, you can have these problems, just adjust it, or you can even like make the wind intensity in this one 0. As I said, it's always depends on the 3D model you are having right now. This is the first method. It's very simple. You can always tweak the movements. This is the first method. The second method, it's a bit tricky. We are going to use Megascan trees asset. Let's go and add to project. As you can see over here, it has simple animation. Actually, it's very good animation, and we can control it by foliage, global foliage actor. As you can see, we can always have anything we want from this. So basically, we are going to dive inside the material and copy it inside our material. Let's see how it's look like. I have searched it so many times, but I didn't find the perfect solution, so I just copied all the material. If there's anyone knows what is better for me to do, in this case, I just copied all of the material and went to my material and then added Control C, Control V, and we are going to make right click and make material attributes, and just Control and left click to move everything to the material, make material attribute. Then select our material and make use material attributes. Now let's drag this up over here and do as I do. Apply. That's all we need right now. You can see it applies now to the global foliage actor. It has winds, noise, everything. We are going to do this to the branch and for every other material inside the tree. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. As I said before, it depends on the trees model itself and how it's done. We are going to make the same thing. Just drag the material attributes. Make material attributes, use material attributes. Apply. As you can see now, it's not very good. As you can see, we have to adjust a few things. I have tested all of this to have the best thing we can have from this material. We need it to look alike, just uncheck default lit trunk and check on the plant. Right now you can see it's very simple, and this is how you can animate any tree from anywhere inside Unreal Engine. Of course you have to work very hard on the tweaking on the material itself or the foliage actor. As you can see, I have tested so much playing with the parameters to find the best solution for this one. It will take some time to find your solution. I will share my results and how I settle down with the perfect materials and how it works for me. You can test it by yourself and you can find the best setting. I will share my setting now. As you can see, it's very nice. It's not 100% perfect, but it's very nice. The best setting you will see. Now this is what I used to have the renders in the first video. We have few issues. Let's start with ray trace direct light shadows. First of all, this is not ray trace shadows for the direction light. We need, let's say you need ray trace shadows in your scene. Enable it. Right now it's not moving, so we have to fix this by enable, select on the mesh itself, and we are going to enable evaluate. Let's select, where is it? Oh, select on the mesh itself and search for evaluate world position offset ray trace. As you can see now, we have movable shadows, but the subsurface color is very bad. I really don't know why this is happening, but we have a very good solution. Press on it and just copy it in place. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and let's remove cast shadow from one. And let's select, and remove the evaluate world position. So this is a visual one, and let's select on the other one and hide it, and let's mark all of these other things to have like hidden casted shadows object, and let's just move it a little bit down to see. Just like that, and press G. As you can see, very nice shadows. Subsurface color is very good. Everything is good, as you can see right now. It's very nice, and most of the problems is done. You need to fix a lot of problems just by tweaking so much on it. You can find your own way how to fix things, just like that. The second issue we can have when you enable nanite. When you enable nanite, it doesn't work even if you mark it on evaluate world offset position. It doesn't work with nanite. We are going to see. Let's enable nanite now, and boom, it's not working with ray trace shadows. So if you are going to do this, we're going to do this with very hard way. We are going to duplicate, and let's name it no nanite, and remove nanite from this one too. So we have one with nanite, and the other one without nanite. So we are going to do the same thing we did before, but let's do it for foliage. Okay, I'm going to show you, yes, like this, and let's put the 2 of trees. We have nanite and no nanite. We are going to do the same thing we did before, just hide it and cast shadow, and don't cast shadow, and move it a little bit down. So you have hidden non-nanite tree casting ray trace shadow, and you have a visible nanite tree. So how we can use this inside foliage scatter? We are going first to make a blueprint actor, very simple one. Let's call this tree, and let's add both of them inside the tree, the nanite one and no nanite one, and let's make the same thing, cast shadow. Let's delete it from, yeah, this is the no nanite, so evaluate world position, and cast shadow will delete it from the nanite one and hide the no nanite one. So right now we are going to have that same thing. We just need to move it a little bit down to have the subsurface color. Let's move the no nanite, yes, just a little bit down, yeah, something like this, to have the shadows. And as you can see now, let's press G. We have a blueprint actor the same way, and let's add foliage actor. Right click, foliage, where is it? Yeah, foliage actor, open it and drag and drop, and you can simply go to foliage and just add anything. Okay, save, and right click, replace, just select on the, it's called tree, let's search for tree. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's called new foliage actor, so this one. Okay, let's rename it to something we can find easily, our tree, and right click, replace with our tree. Yes, this one. Now we can have scatter. You can paint trees. Let's see, there's something here we should check. Evaluate, where is it? Yeah, evaluate world position, it's checked, so we are cool. Let's go and let's paint. Okay, this is not good. Let's decrease this, something like, this is good. So basically you can have like scattered ray traced shadows, moving trees from your imported 3D model. Let's add few things, relative error 0 and preserve area, so we can see now. Let's go for the FPS. Yeah, we have very low FPS right now because we have no nanite object casting shadows. So this is another issue. I will show you right now how we can fix this. I have tested and I have decreased the triangle numbers, as you can see now, I have like more FPS by decreasing the LOD of the mesh. So 10%. It was like 3.5 million. Now it's 350 triangles. Let's make this like 5%. And let's go way down, like 175,000 triangle. As you can see, it has so much FPS right now. You can even use way much less polygons if you want. You can like manipulate it if you want. Just do this steps and you can get it. As you can see now, it's matter of FPS too, but you always can like tweak it the way you like until you find the best solution. You may find this issue. If you can see right now, there is a problem. Search for MF Simple Wind, open it and go over here, double click on it and select transform position and go for this one over here. That's it. Apply and save, and this fixes the issue. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.